What's up, guys? We got a 2021 IS 350. We gave the client the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system because what happened in these cars, the only way the factory alarm works is somebody opens a door. So to steal the rims and tires, you really don't even have to open a door. And if they need anything inside, they'll probably bust your window and jump in without opening any other doors. But I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. We added the shock sensor to the factory alarm, so you don't have to add another alarm and carry another fob. And the issue with these factory alarms, none of them come with any type of impact sensors. The only every car that comes with a factory alarm only works if somebody opens the hood, the trunk, the doors, that sort of thing. But they don't put any type of impact sensors because when you add a shock sensor once a month maybe, or once every 2 months or whatever, you could get a false trigger around thunder. Somebody with loud exhaust or what sort of thing, so the dealer doesn't really want to have complaints about that. So that's why they don't really add any type of impact sensors to any of the factory alarm system. But you as a client, as a driver of the vehicle, it doesn't do you any good if somebody leaves you on full brakes and takes your rims and tires, or break your window and jump in and do whatever they're going to do inside. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window to show you that this time it will go off. Go ahead and rearm it. When you arm it, factory alarms have a delay. You'll notice in the center console, you'll notice that red light there is going to be solid. Okay, once it starts flashing and then it's ready for you, it has about I would say about a 30-second delay, 20-second delay, and it will start flashing. Once it's flashing, and then that means that the factory alarm is already activated. Okay, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this tire here. I'm going to zoom out. This works all around the car. I don't want to keep making noise here. But this installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist in this IS 350 2021. If anybody has these type of vehicle, or any type of vehicle that has a factory alarm system, and you want to do the shock sensor add-on, feel free to give us a call. That's 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And you're out of state, you can always give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed. Thank you for watching this video.